My friends, I give you the legend of the Trebuchet! Now, to those of us who lived and worked at the castle, the 30th of March 1470 started off as just another day. People were going about their business as usual. See, over there, that's my brother, Thomas. He's a farmer. Greetings, Thomas! Over there is Clem, the castle cook. Good day, Clem!
Can't stop, Sam, I need turnips for me soup.
Over there is Mel. Mel's a gong farmer. They look after the castle toilets. Greetings, Mel!
Sam, I've lost my bucket.
Is this your bucket?
Yeah, that's it.
Keep it away from my turnips.
Sorry.
Over there are the castle's magnificent minstrels. They like to come down to the river to practice. So, as I was saying, it started off as just another day, until this happened.
What was that?
Cannon fire!
We can't be. We are. The Yorkists are advancing up the field.
I should tell you that we're in the middle of a civil war. Everyone is fighting for the throne of England.
How do you know they're Yorkists?
They're flying the sun in splendour. Edward's banner. They're going to attack the castle.
That's Harold. He's a great bowman.
Yorkists?
To the cannon.
What are we going to do?
Call out the guard!
There is no guard. Our soldiers are the other side of Warwick at the tournament fields.
By the time the Earl and our soldiers get back, those Yorkists will be in the castle.
What are we going to do?
Run away!
We could have run away, but I had an idea. We need to keep those Yorkists at bay until our soldiers get back.
Ow!
We're going to unleash the bear.
We haven't got a bear. There's the bear.
I'm talking about Ursa. Ursa, Latin for bear. We'll shoot Ursa!
How are you gonna do that?
How are we going to do that?
We can't shoot a trebuchet.
My grandfather helped build her, and he taught Thomas and me how to shoot her. Thomas, you are the trebuchet master. Minstrels, you are the winders. Are you with me?
Aye!
And are you with me?
They've got a cannon.
We can't fight a cannon!
I need all of you.
But the trebuchet was built for attacking castles, not defending them.
Clem's right. But my grandfather told me that the sight of a trebuchet will always strike fear into the enemy's heart. Not just because of her shooting power, but because of her size. She is made of solid oak, and the firing arm is made of ash. I mean, look at her. She's huge. She stands at 60 feet tall and weighs over 22 tons. If we don't defend the castle, we'll lose our homes.
I'm not losing my home.
Then we must defend our castle.
That's the spirit. Now, are you with me?
Aye!
And are you with me? Then let's unleash Ursa, the Warwick Castle Trebuchet!
Defenders! Ready! Warriors! Ready! Well prepare the castle defences.
Good plan, Harold. The winders walk in those wheels, which my grandfather called squirrel wheels, to bring the throwing arm down into its position. As the winders walk, it raises that huge oak box that's filled with rocks. It means our winders are lifting about 7 tons.
Take cover! Get down! Watch out! We need to work fast.
Over the years, siege engines have got bigger because castles have got bigger. If a castle is well defended or well built, it can take months or even years to conquer it. One way to win a siege is to dig under the castle walls, attack attackers will look for a weak spot, maybe the corner of a castle or under a tower. They will secretly dig under that spot, shore it up with wooden stakes, then set fire to the whole tunnel. This will cause the walls and ground above to collapse, allowing the attackers to charge in. But building tunnels takes a long time, so a siege engine that can knock down castle walls is much more effective, especially if it's a trebuchet that can shoot huge rocks. Anyone defending a castle that sees a trebuchet the size of Ursa will lose heart and is more likely to surrender. That's the power of the trebuchet. Cannons are the new siege engines. They can shoot and move quicker than a trebuchet.
It's all right. I've only got the one cannon,
You see that?
but it's a big one.
Look, there
If
you go.
anyone can sort our defences, it's Harold.
Look, it's going
Mel,
round. You see the people
grab
going
that
round.
spear.
Yeah, it's a big circle.
Spear. Now take a good defensive position. No, Mel. You need to stand strong. Stand strong. Point the spear. Point the spear. And lunge. No, Mel, we need to defend the castle. I said, lunge! Good! Now remember, you're fearless. Fearless? You're fearless! I'm fearless! Ah! And Claire, you're strong! Lunge! Fearless! Ah! Good! Now listen, you two. Those Yorkists, they've got spies out there. And I want those spies to see that we, the castle's first line of defense, we are fearless. What are we? Fearless! What use?
Harold, can you distract that cannon? Harold comes from a long line of bowmen. His grandfather fought in the Battle of Agincourt.
Joining the one who's firing that cannon.
It's over there.
No, it's over there.
No, it's over there.
It's over
It's
there.
over there.
Here's your eyes.
It's over there.
All right, you two. Now the commands for loosing arrows are knock, draw, loose. Right, with me as loud as you can. Knock, draw, loose. Good. This time, louder. I want to hear everyone.
Time, Rebecca. Say it.
Knock,
No.
draw, loose. I can't hear you. You need to be louder.
I know
With
that.
me.
Say it.
Knock, draw, loose. Harold, you did it! They'll not be firing that cannon again. That will teach you.
We still need time to load Ursa!
Aye.
Loading a trebuchet takes time. You see that rope that's attached to the top of the throwing arm? It runs through a pulley and wraps itself around the axle that joins the two wheels. As the winders move, it brings the throwing arm into its position.
Any sign of the owl?
No, not yet.
Oh, I wish he'd hurry up.
Being a winder is really hard work. It's hot and relentless, and your legs really ache. You have to stare straight ahead at the gaps in the wooden slats, which means that you're staring at this flickering light, which can make you sick. And if you fall over, you can get really badly hurt, as you're carried to the top of the wheel before falling back down again. Let's give our winders some encouragement. After 3, give them a big cheer. 1, 2, 3! And again! 1, 2, 3!
Watch out! We need to hurry.
Hey, Sam! Look what we found!
It's a cannon!
A cannon! I'll be right over!
This will give those Yorkists a scare.
Anyone fired a cannon before?
Oh, yes. All we need is a cannonball and some black powder.
Here's a cannonball!
Oh, it is black powder. Oh, in that case, all we now need is a ramrod.
What's a ramrod?
Ramrod? Well, it's like a big long wooden pole with cloth wrapped around one end of it. Will this do? I use it doesn't.
Does?
No, it doesn't.
Smells like you.
I don't smell.
You do.
All right
You do.
now. Swap the cannon.
That's a bit like Daddy.
Swapping the cannon. Load the shots.
Loaded. Shot.
Ram the shots. Ramming the shot. Prime the touch hole with black powder.
Black powder.
Prepare to light the black powder. Well, how do we light the powder? With this. You ready to fire?
Ready to fire.
I'd move if I were you two. Oh, yeah. Listen up, Yorkist. Big trouble is coming your way. In 3, 2, 1. Fire!
Did it work?
No. Take cover!
Is that real fire? That's scary.
It looks like the arm is down. Our winders have worked really hard.
Oh, down!
Oh, damn.
Something like that, my eye.
Well done, Thomas! Thomas has locked the arm with a trigger, pin, and chain.
I think the Yorkists are advancing.
Okay, we need to hurry.
Sam, please can we shoot her, Sam?
Please, can't we?
Not yet. We need to clear the rope off the axle, so 2 winders will walk in the opposite direction while the other 2 step on the brakes. This will stop the wheels from turning too fast. Once we've cleared the rope, we'll be ready to shoot.
What are we going to shoot?
How about a beehive?
You can't shoot a beehive.
We could if we had one. One way to defeat a castle is to defeat the people inside. Break their morale. You can shoot things over a castle wall, like a beehive or wasp nest.
What about burning oil?
You could fire burning oil.
We don't have oil.
Yes, we do. There's some right here.
That's my soap.
Is it?
Yes.
Tastes like oil.
Get out of it.
You can also shoot pots of lime over a castle wall. Lime really burns the skin. Or to intimidate defenders, you can shoot body parts.
Like 7 eggs.
Yeah.
Right, you
I
go and
know
get
where
your
we
daddy.
can get a 7 days. Come in now.
That's not nice.
Or to spread disease, you can shoot dead animals or human waste.
Yeah, like a big rock to smash their cannon into bits.
Yeah, a mighty rock.
Mighty rock. Look, they moved their cannon straight into the shooting line of the Trebuchet.
Thomas, prepare the rock!
Prepare the mighty rock.
This is a historic day for us all, as very soon, Arthur, the mighty Warwick Castle Trebuchet, will unleash...
Shame removed! Head removed!
Right, quiet everyone. We need to hear Thomas call out, Trebuchet live. Let's listen. Out, loose. Ready? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yes! Have a care!
We've destroyed their cannon.
The Yorkists, they're retreating!